Hi everyone, welcome to the Paul Mitchell channel. I'm Jessica. Today I will be showing you how to achieve this look right here. It is a faux blowout for when your hair needs a little bit more volume and oomph without the blow dryer. We're gonna go ahead and get right to it, but before we do, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and follow us for more beauty and hair content, but we're gonna go ahead and jump right in. Alright, so I've already sectioned off my hair. To get started, I always like to use a heat protectant. For today's heat protectant, I will be using the Neuro Protect spray. I just like to spray this on section by section before I start actually curling or straightening my hair. So I grab a pretty decent section, about an inch width. I'm horrible at measurements, so in my head, that is about an inch. So I grab it and I curl upwards. By the way, I'm using the Neuro Curl XL for this tutorial. And see how it gives that little flip and bounce as if you did blow dry. This is one of my favorite styles to do. It's really quick in my opinion for my hair length when I don't necessarily want to curl my hair but I don't want it to be flat with an iron. Now for the bottom half of my head, I do like to go in alternating direction. I feel like it helps with the body and movement. That way whichever way you part your hair, all the curls aren't going the same exact direction. And when I say curls, I don't really mean like full-on curls. I mean, we kind of are using a curler, so naturally I will say curls. I'm gonna go ahead and repeat the process all around. Don't forget to spray your thermal protection. Again, in this case, I'm using Neuro Protect. The beauty about this too, it helps with hold as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and continue and, ooh, that's a lot of spray. Just a note, when it gets to the front section of my hair, so this and this, I actually like curling inward, just like this. So I'm going to go ahead and do the same exact process I've been doing with the bottom portion of my hair, and I'm going to speed right through it. When I get to the top of my head, we're going to slow it down a bit and we're going to talk through it. Alright, so I feel like doing a side part today. We're going to go ahead and start on my left side. Usually I like to tuck in the left side of my hair behind my ear. So I'm going to curl inward just so I get some volume closer to the root. Perfect. That actually looks really good on its own. Maybe I won't tuck it in. Sorry if you see me looking that way. I have a much bigger mirror and my eyesight isn't that great for the camera screen. I'm gonna go ahead and continue on curling in the same direction away from my face. So up until I get to the very last section of my hair, that's kind of when I stop curling it in different directions. And notice how my bottom curls, I was starting from the bottom and then rolling up or rotating up. When I get to the top, I kind of do similar, but I break it up in halves. So I have most of the bend, curl, wave, whatever you want to call it. I want it to be consistent and not just at the bottom. And again, I only do this to the top section of my hair. So see how I curled halfway through, and then I pull. And let that sit at the end. Done. Okay, so when it comes to the front, I've already done this one half of my so-and-so bangs. They're short enough, I feel like, in my opinion, to be called bangs. So this side I was curling away from my face, but when it comes to a blowout, I actually like when it's more voluminous in the front section of my hair. So I'm gonna grab it and then curl inward towards my face. And I don't hold it too long. Perfect. Love that. So now we're going to dress my hair just to kind of give it a little bit more life. First, I always like to start with adding a little bit of shine to the ends of my hair, just because underneath this brunette there is blonde, so my hair is a little bit more dry. So I feel like I need a little bit more moisture, a little bit more shine at the ends of my hair. For that, I will be using the gloss drops from Paul Mitchell. This helps with shine and with a frizz-free polish. I'm gonna go ahead and run it through my ends. I do about half a pump for each side, because since my hair is a little bit more on the finer side, if I put too much, I don't want it to look greasy. And then whatever's left, I like to run through the front of my hair like this, just to get rid of any flyaways, because let's face it, I do have baby hairs on the rim of my hair. I'm gonna go ahead and add that there. Then I like to take a round brush. This one's from Paul Mitchell. It is the Express Ion Round XL. And I just like to brush through the bottom. Kind of brush it and flip it. Gorgeous. Now my hair has that softness like a blowout. Again, my hair is naturally sort of on the thinner side, so it's not too voluminous. And what I like to add to kind of pump up the volume a little bit is the Paul Mitchell Extra Body Finishing Spray. So I pretty much get a good piece of my hair and kind of hold it and spray it. And another little piece. And I'm going to go ahead and continue in different sections. Alright, and that completes this look. I really hope you enjoyed this faux blowout minus the blow dryer. If you enjoyed it, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed already, make sure you click that subscribe button down below. Thank you so much for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye!